Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well, yesterday market has shown some upward acceleration and hasn't quite reached the target that we have specified as the target of the butterfly buy pattern on the daily time frame. But usually market never left the targets beyond it, especially when the price stands very close to it. As you can see, the target of this butterfly is around 120 area. Market just few pips hasn't quite reached it. In these circumstances, usually market has some tendency and gravitation to this target, and I suppose that market still should at some point reverse back and hit the target before any solid retracement will happen, and if it will happen at all. In general, this thrusting acceleration on the daily time frame and the intraday charts makes me think that probably some kind of the reversal pattern is forming in this area. So if we take the Fibonacci extension, you'll see that this point stands precisely at 1618 extension. If we suggest the same retracement as was in this area, okay, and drag and drop it to this area, you can see that retracement probably could hit weekly pivot point that hasn't been tested yet by the price action. Also, if market will proceed lower, then you will see that 127 extension stands precisely at 120 area and 1618 stands even a bit lower. So that could be some sort of the three drive pattern. That is just an assumption, but the existence of the target slightly below the price action, slightly below this swing low, and the fact that market hasn't quite reached it makes me think that market should return back and hit this target at least. Maybe this will not be the harmonic and nice looking three drive pattern, but probably market should hit this target before showing a reversal to the upside or some meaningful retracement to the upside. On the 4-hour time frame, what we see? Almost the same picture as I just have shown you. Another important moment that take a look at the swing to the upside. This swing to the upside is greater than previous swing to the downside. This is very typical for the reversal development, the reversal starting point. How far this reversal could be, it's difficult to suggest, but the fact that the swing is greater makes me think that some upward continuation could happen during today's trading session, maybe even during tomorrow's trading session. Also on the daily time frame, as you can see, we have nice bullish engulfing pattern support. That was also daily level of reversal. So I suppose that today probably market could continue it move to the upside. If we will apply the harmonic numbers of these potential retracements, you'll see that this swing points on the weekly pivot point and the nearest 618 resistance at 122.25 area. That is our nearest destination of this potential retracement. How situation will develop after that, it's very difficult to predict. Well, for that purpose we need to wait at least that market when market will reach this area. Well, on the hourly time frame we have another hints of this potential area. That is our parallel channel that we have discussed yesterday. That is our bullish divergence. So following the classical approach of trading the breakout of the channels, we should count the width of channel, it's right here, okay, and count it in the direction of the breakout. You can see that these points on the level is around 122 area. That is, by the way, the Thomas DeMark also the method of calculation of the target of potential move to the other side of the trend line. So the market tells that depending on how far price action come from the trend line, after the breakout it usually reaches the same distance from the other side of the trend line. Also, currently we have some kind of the butterfly cell that is forming on the hourly time frame. Now it also could be treated as the triangle consolidation, so we could apply different ways of calculation of this target. I choose the butterfly target. So you can see the 1618 target stands approximately in the same areas around 122 and very close to the weekly pivot point of the current week. You could probably try to calculate this target based on the triangle. Use the mast if you think that this is dependent, or use the width of this triangle to calculate after breakout to the upside to estimate the targets. Well, all these targets will stand approximately in the same area, and current price development suggests that probably some upward continuation could happen during today's trading session. I think that currently it's more suitable to follow just the nearest targets, do not mirror any positions, since current move to the upside has obvious counter trend nature, and overall trend on the long-term perspective is bearish. That splash is currently has no significant foundation, so this could be just a technical move, and if our assumption about the potential free drive buy pattern on the daily time frame is correct, well, and with this move to the upside we do not see any strange. So this is absolutely in a row with this pattern if it will indeed be formed by the market. So that's been said, during today's trading session market gives us some hints of the potential continuation to the upside, as with the greater swing on the 4-hour time frame, as with some patterns on the hourly time frame that is forming currently. And the target of this potential move, I suppose, will be around the weekly pivot point, so that is 122.09 area. That is also very close to the 122.25 618 resistance.